Here we are, adventure streaming guys, out here doing some fishing at Long Island Sound, Fluke and Seabass. And this is Kendall.
Hi.
What do you need help with?
Oh, never mind.
See, you figured it out. So we have some new friends here, never really been in New England before. It's their first time out fishing with us, and we're doing pretty well. Look at the fish on the fish finder here. There's a ton of fish down here, guys. So Heather, this is your first time in New England, right?
It is my first time in New England.
Are you having a
First
good
time
time?
fishing. Yes,
Yeah?
very good time.
Oh, I didn't know it was your first time fishing too.
First time fishing in deep water like this.
Awesome,
Yes.
you're doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got some really nice sea bass. All right, we got Nick over here.
Hey guys, how you doing?
You've seen him in some of the snowmobiling videos. This is my nephew, slaying them today. And we got Erica. She is focused.
Hi.
Look at her. She won't even stop and have lunch.
I don't. It's like the fishing Nazi.
She's got the biggest sea bass today.
I do?
I think so.
Oh,
Pretty
it was
close.
on the lucky pole.
All right, we're saving the best for last.
I'm just
So-
watching the line.
So Brian, what do you think? First time fishing in New England?
Chewing on it.
This is amazing. Yeah, it's beautiful out here, and we're having good success today.
By the way, thank you for your service. We got a naval officer out here with us. Thank you for being here.
Sure thing.
Appreciate it. All right, we got a fish on.
Feels decent. Oh wow, yeah, that looks like a big one. Probably something. It feels heavy.
Yeah, with all these rods over.
It's
What do we got?
bass.
Whoa, that's a big sea bass.
Oh wow.
Whoa, look at that. Sweet. Look at that. I never video in one hand and net in the other.
There you go, multitasking.
Oh, we got a double on. There we go. Very nice. We'll get some good video. We got Erica. She is like focused.
Well, I thought it was I thought he had my line, and it was nope. That was just a fish.
Well, he might have. Oh, we got Brian netting it on video. Is this your first net?
It is.
Okay, so you don't swipe at it. You just kind of, she'll lead the fish in. It's a nice little sea bass. Probably not a keeper, but
Yeah, it's
practice.
tiny.
Put the net in. Nice and easy. There you go. That was good practice.
He's a little guy, but can pop him out.
You gotta ease into things.
Oh, this is what you call a sea robin. No, don't say that. People eat those, although I haven't yet. And all these ladies bait their own hooks. We show them how to do it once, and then these ladies bait it themselves, and they do a good job. What do you mean, is that a key? That's a beauty.
18?
That's 18,
Not bad.
man. Yeah, hold that up. Look at that. Oh, I like the colors in that. Very nice.
Not bad.
All right, we got a double header on. The two ladies. We got Erica, and we got Heather. Who's gonna look at it? They look like they got 20-pound fish on here.
Probably a sea robin. Look at
Oh, nice one. Woo!
Fish.
That's very good. Heather, hold the line. Look at that. Yeah. Good job. That's a nice one. Let's see what we got over here. The Slayer. She's gonna be really mad if it's not a keeper, I could tell.
Sea robin.
Whoa.
Big sea robin.
That's a big sea robin. That's video worthy.
Told you it was a damn sea robin. Nope, it wasn't that big. It's just my 10-pound weight.
She is not happy. Let's see if we can hear him bark.
Bark.
Oh, go for a swim. Thank you. Boy, what's going on with Brian over here? Now it's on video.
Somebody ate the tail off my gulp.
Yeah, that happens.
Should I keep it on there?
No, put a new one on. Hold it up in front of Heather.
Kendall's on.
All right, we got a good spot here.
You want to attempt to hold him?
Nice and calm. That's a nice fish. We're gonna need a net over here.
Grab him really hard.
All right, ladies on the fish.
And Erica, the worst netter in history of netting.
You are not. You're
He's
fine.
actually not very
She was out here with an injured shoulder fishing. Nice and slow. Whoa! Look at that fluke. Okay, just nice and easy. Just keep it right there. Whoa! Yeah!
My first
Kendall with the two big keeper
First one was
fluke.
bigger, though.
Yeah, it's huge. Nice fish, ladies. Look at this. That's a very nice fluke. That's probably about 21. Very
What
good.
was my other one?
That one was like 27.
Yeah.
Great, got it.
Looks like your
fish.
Joy holding that. All right. We got Brian on. It's a nice fish. Can somebody get the net? Heather, you want a net of fish? Oh, wow. Keep it in the water. Keep it in the water. Oh. Oh. That is a nice sea bass, man.
A full squid.
Woo!
Full squid.
Look at that. Look at the head on him.
Boy, that really paid off of putting
Yep.
full squid on there.
So what you do is you put your thumb
Okay.
under here,
Okay.
and you squeeze. That is a nice fish.
Wow.
All right, so do it on this side. Watch that hook. Just put your thumb up into his gill. That's a nice fish, man. Good job. That's a big fish.
Definitely. Right here.
There you go, just like that. Nice and smooth. Keep it always bent. Woo! How's it feel, Kendall? Is it big?
Yeah.
And that's a stiff rod. I use that for cod. Don't put the net in to scare it. Wait until he's up.
This is so hard.
Yeah, it's all right.
Okay. Keep going.
Don't go too far. Keep it back. Yep. Like, don't let your hand go further. You're supposed to.
Keep going.
Oh, I gotta at least see this. Wow.
Keep going.
She's been killing. She's got the two biggest fluke. The only fluke.
Yeah.
We are at Long Island Sound. Big fish on. Woo!
You got it. You got it.
Let's get color. We want to at least see this thing.
Right? There we go.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's a shark.
Yup.
It's a
That's a big old dog.
it's a dogfish is what they call it.
Here, I'll go and get
First time in Long Island.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, now we got a shark.
you guys get a bowl. The thing with the hook on.
Kendall, you got a shark.
This is called a dogfish. It's a big one.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Look at the shark. That's the kind of one I thought.
Give me the
Wow.
You want to feel?
Yeah.
it?
Will you look
Feel
at
it's like
this?
sandpaper.
Good, you can touch it.
It's so
Where
cool.
do I touch?
Anywhere.
Anywhere, I got his head.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Feel that?
Sandpaper.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Can you get the hook out?
Of course. Got him.
Take a picture. Kendall.
They're fishy.
You hold the front.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going back. You're gonna be fine. Brian's on another one here. The bite's been pretty steady. I mean, it's been a steady bite.
Be nice if it's a fluke.
Nice day, 1 foot or less. Really nice.
Okay, here it is.
Come
Is
my
that a
way.
fluke?
Come
We
my
got
way.
some color.
Bass,
No,
come my
that's
way.
another nice
Come my
sea
way.
bass.
There we go.
Good job. Woo!
Good fish.
Having lunch. Ooh, that looks really good.
Kale salad.
Wow. On top of a turkey.
Yeah.
Look at that. There. Oh yeah. All right, we got Nick on here.
Squid in my net, though.
Last bass must have spit it out. Oh, a little.
That's a little one.
Do you want me
It's
to-
nice. That's all right. You don't need to net it.
Yeah.
All right, Heather's on. When you guys grab the net, I don't know what we're gonna have here. Could be a big fluke.
All right.
Oh, it's a nice sea. Whoa, keep it in the water. Grab it. Look at that. That's nice. Very nice. Good job. Man, you racked up some points today.
That's a big one. Giving our bait back.
See that? Look at it. No, that's actually a crab. This is what they eat.
Huh.
Spider crab.
Very cool. Let's keep it.
Man, we had a great trip. It's 94 degrees in Connecticut. That is rare. good fishing, good crew, good time. Awesome. Smile like you had a good time. Kendall, hold those out. Come on. Those are monsters. Hey, thanks for watching Adventure Streaming, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the alert bell so you get notified when we release another video.